So, a little known fact about me, dark chocolate makes me sneeze. I used to thought it was brownies, but maybe there's dark chocolate in brownies. I don't know. Either way, it's only dark chocolate. It only happens the first time I take the first couple of bites. So it's not like if I have one chocolate bar, every time I bite it, I start sneezing. First couple of bites, I usually sneeze. It only works with dark chocolate for whatever reason. It doesn't happen with milk chocolate. I assume it doesn't happen with white chocolate. I don't know because it's disgusting and I don't eat it like anybody ever should.
Josie.
It's delicious!
You are not my child. Anyway, we're going to do a little experiment today, courtesy of the good people at Ghirardelli. We have some dark chocolate. I don't know if this is genetic or not, so we're going to give it a try. So you get a piece of dark chocolate, and you get a piece of dark chocolate. Hopefully you like it with sea salts and almonds. And I get a piece of dark
I
chocolate.
had dark chocolate yesterday.
And we'll see if it happens. See if it's more than just me. I don't know why. Oh man.
Get out of the splash zone.
We're okay. We're okay. Well, no, but every time we can fight it.
Are you faking?
No, and I didn't think this through quite as well as I thought I should have. And I kind of regret my decision at the moment. However, apparently it's not genetic. Alright,
No,
Yeah.
the button.
we're done. Bye.